Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a look at possible causes for a blocked till drawer. In this video we're looking at the NR500 series, but kind of the rules and principles of this are the same across any Sam4S and probably any cash register in general. It's a fairly frequent call dealers will get. You're processing sales as you normally would and the till drawer's not opening. So if we take a look at this machine I've got in front of me now, put a £1 sale through, subtotal, and then when we hit the tender button the drawer's firing but not opening. In my experience there's three possible causes for this. Cause one, the most common one, is the drawer's actually locked. So the vast majority of cash register cash drawers will have a lock on them, which you could lock, which obviously prevents the drawer from opening. So you need to locate the cash drawer key and then unlock the drawer, and the drawer will then fire as normal. So that's the easiest possible solution. The next scenario is that there's something, the till drawer isn't locked, but there's actually something blocking the drawer from opening. So that's a bit of a tricky one to resolve. All the registers will have a manual override lever on the underside of the till. So if I flick this one up on its side carefully, so you see there on this machine, that's the manual lever for firing the drawer. So you can use that. You can kind of, if you put the till back, keep your hand underneath and then manually fire it. Obviously you'll have to do a bit of wriggling around with the drawer because obviously there is something stopping it, but often you can generally free up whatever's in the way with and then use that manual catch to get the drawer open to totally remove whatever was causing the problem. The third type of scenario you've got is slightly more serious, well, a lot more serious. If you'll notice when you process transactions on the till, when you were getting the till lock problem. So if we lock this one again now, if we cash this sale off, if you're getting that problem, so you've got the sound of the till opening, that's resolvable because when you press your tender button, you know, and you get that sound, that drawer opening but getting stuck sound, that's a positive sound because it means the till's working. There's just something physical going on which is stopping the drawer opening, either the drawer being locked or something in the way, something stuck causing the problem, and obviously those things are resolvable. A more serious problem is if when you're processing your sale and you're doing everything correctly, but then you're not even getting the sound. So on this occasion, I've programmed that button to not open the drawer. So it's possible, depending on what machine you've got, that there's some problem with the cash button programming. So on certain machines, you can limit the amount of money put through the tender button, and if you don't ring that amount through, it won't open the drawer. But this can get quite, trying to explain this will get complicated because it varies from different tills, but essentially if you're not getting that sound, and the way to test it is if you ring another sale through and then hit a different tender button. So on this machine I've got charge and check, and they're both working in the sense that they're firing the drawer, but obviously the drawer's locked so it's not opening. But my cash button has a more serious problem. So if this scenario is happening, then you could look at the programming of the cash button in the PGM mode, or I'd probably recommend contacting your local Sam4S dealer. Okay, hope that video has been helpful and been able to shed some light and solve some problems on the drawer not opening. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the Sam4S range of cash registers, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks.